Before you begin your day, picture this. You step outside, ready to head to work, school, or a delivery shift, and your bicycle is gone. Vanished from the parking spot you trusted. Stolen from the exact place you left it last night. Now pause and ask yourself, is your bicycle insured? For most riders, the honest answer is no. Yet the truth is simple. Your bicycle is far more valuable than you realize. Whether it's your daily commuter, your fitness partner, or your income-generating tool, losing it can disrupt your routine, your plans, or even your livelihood. Hello, and welcome back to Insurance World TV, your #1 home for simplified, practical insurance knowledge. Today, we're diving into a topic that's becoming incredibly important, especially in Kenya's urban centers: pedal cycle insurance. If you cycle to work, do deliveries, or own a high-value bicycle or electric bike, this video is for you. Over the recent past, Kenya's urban centers have witnessed a remarkable surge in pedal cycles weaving through traffic, cutting across estates, and becoming a familiar part of the daily commute. What was once seen mainly as a recreational tool has rapidly evolved into a trusted mode of transport, a fitness companion, and, thanks to the digital economy, a source of livelihood. This transformation has been fueled by several factors. First, the rise of electric cycles, e-bikes, which has made cycling more accessible to a wider range of users, offering speed, efficiency, and reduced physical strain. Second, the gig economy, especially food delivery, courier services, and last-mile logistics, has embraced bicycles as a cost-effective and flexible means of moving around congested cities like Nairobi, Mombasa, and Kisumu. As more Kenyans adopt pedal cycles for work and personal mobility, a new reality is emerging. Bicycles are now valuable assets exposed to real risks. From theft, vandalism, and accidental damage, to liabilities arising from collisions or injuries to third parties, the risks are both diverse and increasingly common. With this rapid growth, bicycles have evolved into meaningful personal and economic assets, and every asset carries its own risks. And where there is risk, insurance offers protection. This is exactly why obtaining insurance cover for your bicycle is both wise and necessary. While many cyclists focus on the convenience, fitness benefits, or income-generating potential of riding, very few pause to consider how exposed a bicycle becomes the moment it leaves the house. Pedal cycle insurance exists to bridge this vulnerability, offering financial protection against a variety of risks that riders frequently encounter. In Kenya, very few insurers like APA and TASI offer pedal cycle insurance as a standalone product. Instead, bicycles are typically insured as an extension under a domestic package or homeowner's insurance policy. This means your bicycle is protected alongside your wider household assets, including personal belongings and home contents. Whether offered as a standalone product or as an extension under a main policy, such as domestic package, pedal cycle insurance should generally offer the following protections. 1. Theft of the bicycle. High-end mountain bikes, road bikes, and electric cycles have become prime targets for thieves, especially in busy urban centers. Whether your bicycle is stolen at home, outside an office, at a shop, or during a quick delivery stop, the policy compensates you for the loss, provided the required security conditions are met. 2. Accidental damage. Urban cycling presents numerous hazards: potholes, slippery surfaces, careless pedestrians, sudden braking, and close interactions with vehicles. If your bicycle sustains accidental damage, the cover helps cater for repair or replacement costs, reducing the financial burden on the rider. 3. Fire damage. Cyclists who store their bikes in apartments, shared residences, hostels, or commercial delivery depots face the real possibility of fire-related losses. Pedal cycle cover ensures that your bicycle is protected in the event of fire, even when stored away from your primary residence. 4. Third-party liability. Cyclists interact closely with motorists, pedestrians, and other road users, increasing the risk of accidental injury or property damage. Third-party liability cover shields you from potentially expensive claims or legal liabilities arising from such incidents. This protection is especially important for delivery cyclists who spend long hours navigating busy streets. 5. Personal accident cover. Some insurers offer personal accident extensions to protect the rider themselves. This may include coverage for medical expenses, disability, or accidental death. It is a particularly valuable add-on for gig workers and professional cyclists whose income depends entirely on their mobility. 6. Accessories cover. Many cyclists invest in valuable accessories such as helmets, mounted lights, GPS trackers, reflective jackets, saddlebags, carrier racks, or delivery boxes. These can also be insured against theft or damage, ensuring comprehensive protection for both the bicycle and its essential gear. Why pedal cycle insurance is becoming a must-have in Kenya. The growth of delivery apps, environmentally friendly commuting, and the push towards decongesting cities has elevated the status of bicycles. With this evolution comes a shift in risk. Bicycles are no longer just leisure items. They are assets, income tools, and mobility essentials. Here's why insurance makes sense now more than ever. 1. Increasing theft cases. Reports from urban neighborhoods show a steady increase in bicycle theft, often executed by organized groups that target parking lots, apartments, and public spaces. 2. Rise of e-bikes. Electric cycles are more expensive, more attractive to thieves, and more complex to repair. Riders using them for business or commuting benefit significantly from adequate insurance. 3. Urban congestion and accidents. More bicycles on busy roads mean higher chances of collisions. Third-party liability can protect the cyclist from hefty claims. 4. Gig economy dependency. For delivery riders on platforms like Glovo, Uber Eats, or Bolt Food, the bicycle is quite literally the engine of their income. A single accident or theft can halt their ability to work. Insurance cushions against such disruptions. How much does pedal cycle insurance cost in Kenya? Pedal cycle insurance in Kenya is surprisingly affordable, making it one of the easiest personal asset covers to obtain. Premiums depend on key factors such as the bike's value, your location, how you use the bicycle, and any optional add-ons like personal accident or accessories cover. Insurers generally calculate the premium by applying a small rate to the total value of the bicycle and its accessories. In most cases, annual premiums start from as low as Ks 3,000, making it a cost-effective way to protect a valuable asset. How to negotiate the best pedal cycle insurance cover. Choosing the right bicycle insurance doesn't have to be complicated. With the right approach, you can secure a policy that truly matches your needs and gives you maximum value. Here are the key points to keep in mind. 1. Match your cover to the value of your bike. If you own a high-end mountain bike, road bike, or e-bike, avoid basic or minimal cover. Ensure the insured value reflects the true worth of your bicycle to prevent losses during claims. 2. Understand theft requirements. Ask your insurer about security conditions such as using an approved lock, having a serial number, or proving forced entry. Meeting these requirements ensures your claim isn't rejected. 3. Add third-party liability if you ride in busy areas. If you cycle in towns, highways, or crowded estates, include liability cover. A small accident can lead to big compensation costs, and this add-on protects you from that risk. 4. Include personal accident cover. For daily commuters, long-distance trainers, and delivery riders, personal accident cover is crucial. It helps with medical expenses and provides compensation in case of serious injury. 5. Check the excess deductible. Every insurer has an excess, the amount deducted from your claim. Choose a policy with a manageable excess so you don't face unexpected out-of-pocket costs. 6. Cover your accessories. If you've invested in a helmet, reflective gear, lights, GPS devices, delivery boxes, or GoPros, consider getting accessories cover for full protection. 7. Compare insurers and ask the right questions. Before settling on a policy, ask about claim settlement time, exclusions, maximum payout limits, any emergency support. Comparing offers helps you negotiate better and choose a provider that fits your needs. Who qualifies for pedal cycle insurance? Summary. Pedal cycle insurance is intentionally broad and accessible, making it suitable for almost anyone who owns or regularly uses a bicycle. Eligible groups include individual bicycle owners, anyone using a bike for leisure, commuting, fitness, or errands, as long as they legally own it. Gig workers and delivery riders, cyclists on platforms like Glovo, Uber Eats, Bolt Food, or Jumia can insure standard bicycles, e-bikes, and modified delivery bikes. Students and campus cyclists, riders using bicycles within universities and colleges qualify fully. Corporates and businesses, companies with bicycles for last-mile deliveries, messengers, or internal mobility can insure them under a group policy. Sports and fitness cyclists, those participating in races, clubs, or long-distance events can access specialized cover. Owners of high-value or modified bikes, custom builds, electric-assisted bikes, and premium cycles can be insured once properly valued. How to buy pedal cycle insurance in Kenya. Getting pedal cycle insurance is simple, but being prepared makes the process smoother. Here's a quick breakdown of the key steps. 1. Document your bicycle. Provide clear photos, the frame/serial number, and proof of value such as a receipt or valuation, especially for high-end bikes. 2. Request a quotation. Share the bike's value, how you intend to use it, personal or delivery, your location, and any accessories or modifications. 3. Choose your coverage options. Select between basic cover, fire, theft, accidental damage, third-party liability, personal accident, and accessories cover based on your needs and budget. 4. Complete a proposal form. Fill in your personal and bicycle details. Many insurers now offer this process online. 5. Pay the premium. Approve the quote and make payment, often via mobile money for convenience. 6. Receive your policy document. Review your policy to understand benefits, exclusions, and claim procedures, and keep a digital copy for easy reference. Conclusion: protect your ride, protect your peace of mind. The pedal cycle revolution is here to stay, driven by convenience, fitness, eco-consciousness, and the booming gig economy. As bicycles become more valuable and more frequently relied upon, protecting them isn't just smart, it's responsible. Pedal cycle insurance provides a practical safety net that shields riders from theft, damage, accidents, third-party liabilities, and personal injury risks. With affordable premiums and flexible coverage, every cyclist, from the casual weekend rider to the full-time delivery hustler, has something to gain. Your bicycle is more than a machine. It's mobility. It's income. It's independence. It's part of your lifestyle. Insure it. Protect it. Ride with confidence. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share it with a cyclist you know, and subscribe to Insurance World TV for more smart insurance insights. See you in our next video.